Understanding Memory Lapse, an easy guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you might have heard, memory lapse. Whether you're a beginner or advanced in English, understanding such phrases can be quite handy. So, let's dive in and demystify this together. A memory lapse refers to a short period where someone forgets something or is unable to remember information. It's like a temporary glitch in our memory. Imagine your brain as a computer. A memory lapse is like a brief moment when the computer can't find a file. It doesn't mean the file is gone, it just takes a bit longer to find it. To better understand memory lapse, let's see it in action. For instance, if you walk into a room and forget why you went there, that's a memory lapse. Or, if you're trying to recall a friend's phone number and it takes a moment to come to you, that's also a memory lapse. It's a very human experience and happens to everyone. Let's put our phrase into practice. Here are a few examples. I had a memory lapse and couldn't remember where I parked my car. During the exam, I experienced a memory lapse and forgot important dates. It's not unusual to have a memory lapse when you're stressed or tired. It's important to distinguish a memory lapse from general forgetfulness. A memory lapse is temporary and specific, often occurring under stress or fatigue. General forgetfulness might be more frequent and not linked to specific instances. Understanding this difference can be helpful in everyday conversations. That's all about memory lapse. Remember, having a memory lapse is a normal part of being human. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and don't worry if you have a memory lapse now and then. It happens to the best of us. See you in our next video.